In a lap pool, so
got the whole group today.
But like when he did Macy's,
The jacketless group.
jacketless group. So,
Hello. What are we doing today? Zach, what trail are we doing today?
Birth feud?
No. No one's getting it right.
What is
This is Mount Flora Trail.
Oh.
There we go. We got it. That was just the pass.
Oh, birth out pass.
Yeah, that was the
I
pass.
still don't think I'm saying it right.
No, I don't think anyone does.
Bro, what's gonna happen when we get past the tree line?
Above 12,000 feet, no trees in Colorado. So once you get above the tree line, more exposed, the sun, which is good and bad. All right. Hey, Zach.
What's up?
It's all right. Camera sees you. All right. Maybe we are going there. I don't know. Yeah. Yep. Two lakes. There's one here, one there. Gonna come back and do some fishing. All right, going up there. Yeah, a little one. A little lake. Oh wow, that's a great pick. Alright, wind's picking up. Definitely getting colder. Cold, but not too cold. But almost there. All right, made it to the top. 13,000 something change. 13,200 and something. Made it. Good job. right, back at the parking lot. Had a great hike. A little over 6 miles. 13,100 feet at the top. Good hike, right?
Oh yeah, great hike.
All right, check you guys next time.